This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily make and upload a YouTube video from your iPhone. So just locate the YouTube application right here and just open this up, and you're probably going to be signed into your YouTube account already. So we can just go to this little plus icon right here and tap it, and then you can easily upload a video from your phone. So you can decide if you want to upload a long form video if you record like this, or a short will be like this. And then you still have the option under here to change it. So I can go from long form video to short right here. And then I can go to this little icon right here and I can upload things as a short as well. So decide what kind of video you want, long form or a short. So we can just go to this now. And then I can just tap right here. And then we can go to next once we have the video. And we're going to have to come up with the, a tag, a title, description if we want. So we can just come up with the title right here. Planting flowers or something like that. Now, if you're trying to get discovered and more views, if you go to Google search or YouTube search and you type in whatever you're doing, like how to make a garden wonderful or something like that, you're going to see all these letters populate on YouTube. And you want to copy that search result in there. So those are the terms that people are looking for. So if you can add that to your title, you'll probably get more views. So if we go down to visibility, we can make this public. We can make it unlisted, so only people with a link can actually view it. We can make it private, so only the person who uploads it can see it. Or we can go to schedule this out, and we can schedule it out in the future. Now, if you go to the top left on your picture right here, if you're doing this from your phone, you can upload a thumbnail. And this will be what is displayed before the video. So you might get attention to your thumbnail, depending on the picture that you have. So you might want to come up with some sort of creative thumbnail. Otherwise, I just use the default ones, like this, planting flowers, etc. Then we can go on down. We can go to the different tags under here as well. We got tags, we got a description we can add. If we want to add text to the video, underneath the video you'll see all this text. And you can just enter that in right there if you want. And if you're on your phone, you can just type it out. And then we got select audience. Is this made for kids? No. Okay, so you can just mess around with all that stuff if you want. And then go to upload. Now this is going to be added to your YouTube channel. So we can scroll on down. And you can see, since I'm the one uploading it, I can see my videos listed under here. I can see my shorts, my playlist, etc., my posts. So depending on what you're uploading, you can see right here, or you can edit your channel. And you go through here and just try this out as well. Now, if you're going to be serious on YouTube, look for YouTube Studio application. I don't know if I have this on my iPhone or not, but we can just go to the library, YouTube Studio, here it is, and this will give you a little bit more options for creativity. And I have to sign in. I can't remember my account name either, so let me look at this, and then I can just sign in with one of these. Okay, good, and allow. Here it is. So try and DJI Mini at range. Okay, so this looks like a different channel I selected, but this gives you a lot more control over my content. My analytics, looking at everything under here, my community, and how much I've earned. So just look at this as an option, YouTube Studio, and you can upload videos directly from there too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.